Hey guys, Flying Falcon here, and today I have a box, and in that box contains 5 or 4 games that I picked out, and we are gonna be playing them. So I'm gonna pick one out, and we're gonna play them and start a series. If it's already a series, then just continue it. Okay, I'm going in. I picked out natural disasters. Should be somewhere. I'll see you when I find natural disasters. Okay, so we're back, and I'm gonna get straight into this. Bow, 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 bow. So yeah, let's start a series on this, shall we? So pick them out of the box. I will be doing the box sometime later. Another episode. Right now, I'm trying to say. I'm gonna just do it for this now. So this is natural disasters. I'll teach as we go along. Everyone's great. so, sorry, I'm being a bit sick. That's why I made it. Basically, there's these natural disasters, and you got to avoid tornado, thunderstorm. I think this one's an earthquake. No, I think I saw dolphins. But anyway, the survivors were Ant-Man. Can't. Well, top one was Ant-Man. Well done, Ant-Man. You saved the world. So what's this one gonna be, chat? We got guests. Oh, who's a guest? What's that animation? Oh, who's the guest? Oh, there's the guest. Oh, I'm not gonna stick anywhere near the guest. Oh, get in the cars. You can get in the cars. That's right. No, so no. I want the brown one. Oh, I'm having this one. Oh, you can actually drive. Oh, it's plastic. This is perfect. Come on, it's a. What is this? It's a sandstorm. I haven't warned us yet. I think over here will be safety spot. Uh, maybe just have to dodge flying objects. Dodge flying objects. Go be careful. Oh, I'm gonna pretend that happened. No. Oh god, this is so fast. Oh, I can help. Okay. Oh, let's go. No, you can't. I'm just gonna avoid everything. So I made it back, and I'm third place, as you can see right there on the corner. Well, it's third place. So that's pretty good for the first round. So I'll be back with you. Oh, let's get on the leaderboard. Oh yeah, I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Never mind. I'll be back with you when we start. I just came outside again because I know I cut it when we just spawned, but everyone came up stay outside, so I was like glitch. So yeah, I think we're seventh on the leaderboard right now. Pretty good. Actually, I want to say mid-level, just in case if it's a tsunami or if it's an earthquake. Um don't get too high plus. Oh, that's blood. I'm just gonna stay here. Yeah, and I just realized a big volcano. How did I not realize that before? Let's go. Yeah! That was too close. Go, go, go! I'm just trying to jump over a volcano. That's right, I can't do that. I'll get in the water. This is like target me. I heard that mistake. Oh! Oh my! The Luffler guy's on. See? So, Luffler guy's here. Say hi. And, yo. So, yeah, basically, just want to survive. I'll just see when it's done. So I'm back, and basically we are going to, I don't know, send a beach house. I don't know what, but I am going to stick with Lovely Guy. Wherever he is. Where is he? Where? Help me! I'm lost. Meteor shower? Watch the skies. I always knew this would happen. I'm gonna boss it, not move. That was too close. Way too close. Oh my god. They're getting way close. Oh my god. Oh my. Well, that's. Oh my god. It's walking in the sky. All of a sudden, millions of things are gonna come down. Whoa. Surprised I haven't died yet. So basically, I'm just gonna stay here. I wonder what the lovely guy's doing. I wonder. Am I rich? No. Lol. Okay. Not at all. Whoa! Fifth place. Oh, I'm second place this time. I'm sorry for second me, so. Oh, I didn't think the last guy's still here. Oh wait, he's here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He jumps, jumps. Let's dance. Slash E, space dance. My little code. Just dance. What? Can't you do it? Slash E, dance. Yay! I stopped dance. Why? Why? Dance in front of a lovely guy. What does he think? Oh, bye! Oh, he's dead. I like third person. Well, lovely day to walk down the road. I feel like I'm gonna win this. Oh, this is Amazing. Wait. Oh, never mind. I don't. Oh, I'm gonna tell Beloved that I have to dance. I think this is gonna be the last round for this. As you can see in the thing, in the chat, I've been telling him multiple times how to dance. I don't think he's got it yet. I'm like, dude, dance. Oh, you can go in the truck, can't you? I see trucks already being used. Just stand here. We can produce feathers. Flash flood. Oh god. Oh, over there. Oh, we are so dead. Why do I feel like I'm gonna die? Oh god, oh god. There go, there go. Oh my god, if I fall, I'm doomed. This is gonna be the last round. Oh god. Oh no, no. No, 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 no. No. No way. I can't fall down. No. No. Oh, we are all dead. We are all dead. No one will survive. Wait. Damn, I'm dead. Oh! The only survivor is Shadow Freddy. That's not even how you spell Freddy from the Freddy stuff. And you're the only survivor. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to me, just me, please, and you'll get more of this. Oh no, high school. No, but I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.